Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Powerchair review is probably one of the most important investments you will ever make, ensuring comfort, safety, and independence for years to come. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect electric wheelchair, from assessing your individual needs and lifestyle to understanding the different features and functionalities available on the market today, empowering you to make an informed decision that enhances your mobility and overall well-being. Number 5. Intelligent Folding Electric Wheelchair. It has several safety features, including a balanced weight, anti-leaning design, and a reliable braking system. Its durable construction ensures your safety and peace of mind. It's equipped with dual motors for great mobility and an innovative 360-degree joystick for easy, one-handed control. A single charge provides a range of up to 15 kilometers. Weighing just 59 pounds with an aviation aluminum frame, it's lightweight and well-balanced. It folds easily for convenient transport in a car and is approved for air travel. The large rear air tires provide stability on various terrains. The thick, comfortable seat cushion with seatbelt helps prevent pressure sores and protects your spine. As a USA company, we offer 24/7 customer service with a response time of under 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This wheelchair prioritizes safety with features like a balanced weight and electromagnetic braking system. It's also incredibly easy to operate with a simple joystick. If you value safety and ease of use above all else, this is the chair for you. What people say. It is so easy to fold and unfold, and there is virtually zero assembly to perform to place it into service. It maneuvers nimbly around in hospitals, DRs, office buildings, retail stores, restaurants, and anywhere else I used to walk. It also works extremely well on sidewalks and wheelchair ramps. With its 2 battery packs, I have yet to become stranded because I've run out of juice. I just swap them around in less than 1 minute and keep on motoring. Number 4. Widen 20 Folding Electric Wheelchair. This innovative wheelchair offers unparalleled comfort and convenience. Its wide 20-inch seat ensures a comfortable ride, while the intelligent folding design makes it easy to transport. With its upgraded 20-inch seat width and 2-inch thick sponge cushioning, it provides superior comfort for extended use. The breathable fabric keeps you cool and comfortable. It features an electromagnetic brake for quick and safe stops. This ensures your safety and peace of mind while you're on the go. It boasts a powerful 500W dual motor, enabling you to navigate various terrains with ease, including grass, bumpy roads, and even slopes. It can handle up to 300 pounds. It folds quickly and easily in just 3 seconds, making it perfect for travel. Its lightweight design and compact size allow for easy transportation in cars, trains, planes, and ships. The detachable lithium battery provides a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge. Multiple charging options are available for your convenience. The left and right-hand switchable controller gives you the flexibility to customize your driving experience. Enjoy a comfortable and personalized ride. It's built with high-quality, aviation-grade 6061 aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. Weighing only 57 pounds, it's easy to maneuver. What we like. This model boasts a wider seat for enhanced comfort. Its powerful motor tackles various terrains with ease. If you need a comfortable ride and the ability to handle rough surfaces, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Finding a chair that would support my weight, more than 250 pounds, and still have the ability to fold small enough to fit in any trunk for easy transport while having a performance level high enough to allow me to have the mobility I need to be independent in any setting was something I didn't think I would find until I found this chair. The 12-mile range with a 20-hour battery life at up to 3.8 miles per hour stuns people. Its performance makes it a dream machine. This chair carries my 260 pounds weight with no difficulty, even at high speed. I'm able to go up steep inclines with no difficulty. Going downhill is also safe with the chair not running away. It handles really well and is very maneuverable. It can turn in very tight spaces. Number 3. Aotedor Electric Wheelchair. With 2 powerful lithium batteries, it boasts a remarkable 22-mile range on a single charge. Enjoy extended journeys and maintain your independence for longer. Weighing only 39 pounds, its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to lift and transport. Folding takes just 3 seconds, perfect for car travel. Dual brushless motors provide quiet, efficient power to handle various surfaces. Navigate slopes and uneven terrain with ease and confidence. Electromagnetic brakes, a balanced design, and shock absorbers ensure stability and safety. Anti-tip wheels and automatic tilt prevention add extra security. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty and readily available customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Enjoy unparalleled independence with its extended range and lightweight design. The powerful motor ensures smooth travel across different terrains. If you prioritize long-distance travel and ease of transport, this model is ideal. What people say. It came almost fully assembled and what assembly was required was easy. It has a very solid feel and it is very comfortable and maneuverable. Comes with 2 batteries, perfectly located, easy access. Lightweight, my wife can easily put it in the back of the car. Manual and printing clear and simple, easy to read. Durable and attractive. Having received the wheelchair, I have verified that it folds easily, weighs exactly 39 pounds and makes sharp turns. I am able to take it inside my bathroom with 25-inch door width. It has good battery life. Number 2. MALISA electric wheelchair. This premium wheelchair folds easily thanks to its unique automatic folding function. It's incredibly convenient for storage and transport. It boasts powerful motors and a long-lasting lithium battery, allowing you to navigate various terrains with confidence, from grass to snow. This sturdy wheelchair supports up to 330 pounds yet weighs only 59 pounds, 65 pounds with battery. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and transport. With its powerful dual motors and easily charged lithium battery, it provides a range of up to 13 miles. Charge it in or out of the chair. It's airline approved, so you can take it on planes, trains, and more. Enjoy worry-free travel with this portable and convenient wheelchair. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. We offer a comprehensive warranty and it arrives fully assembled, ready to use. What we like. This chair offers the ultimate convenience with its automatic folding mechanism. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly sturdy and durable. If you need a chair that's easy to fold and transport, this is a great option. What people say. It is super easy to set up. Attach the controller, activated auto open. Took to the local mall. Sturdy construction. Prefer over the bulky ones. Fits right in back of the SUV. It's lightweight and foldable, which makes it easy for us to carry and store. It works well on different surfaces, and the battery lasts all day. It's very comfortable and powerful as well, which is impressive given my size and weight of 270 pounds. Excellent purchase. Number 1. Ruby Red Mobility Scooter. This scooter boasts larger 18-amp batteries for extended use. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. Enjoy effortless navigation with its longer wheelbase, wider stance, and compact turning radius. It's easy to handle in tight spaces. The enhanced design provides superior stability in a smooth, comfortable ride. You'll feel confident and secure wherever you go. It features dual swing-away storage bins located under the seat. Keep your essentials close at hand. This scooter offers a comfortable and reliable way to get around. Enjoy greater independence and freedom. With its stylish design and practical features, it's the ideal mobility solution. Experience the difference today. What we like. This scooter stands out with its larger batteries for extended use and improved agility for easy maneuvering. The added storage is a huge plus. If you value extended range, maneuverability, and extra storage, this is the one for you. What people say. I like the fact that it is heavy, but it has a low center of gravity, so it won't tip over. The seat is very comfortable. It easily disassembles into 4 manageable parts. All parts have a handle and can be put in the trunk of an economy car except for the seat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.